The Wall Street Journal highlights RFK Jr.'s opinion on the Health and Human Services efforts to restore public trust in vaccines. This initiative aims to address concerns and improve transparency in vaccine communication. Kennedy supports the HHS initiative, applauding Secretary Becerra's launch of a new Vaccine Trust Taskforce. This move aims to rebuild public confidence by addressing conflicts of interest within the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices. The 1986 National Childhood Vaccine Injury Act established the Vaccine Adverse Event Reporting System and a compensation program. It mandated HHS to ensure vaccine safety, though biannual safety reports were not clearly enforced. Kennedy criticizes past oversight, claiming no HHS safety reports were filed in over 30 years. A 2018 lawsuit revealed non-compliance, undermining public trust in vaccine safety measures. RFK Jr. recommends regular safety reviews for childhood vaccines, reforming the injury compensation system, re-evaluating liability protections for manufacturers, and replacing the current Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices. Fact-checking confirms the launch of the HHS Taskforce in May 2025. The 1986 law requires safety efforts, but the frequency of reviews remains unclear, highlighting the need for improved oversight. A 2018 lawsuit revealed HHS's failure to file safety reports. The anti-vaccine label is misleading, as Kennedy supports safe vaccines while advocating for transparency and accountability. All current ACIP members were appointed in the last administration, with multiple conflicts of interest identified. The panel has rarely advised against vaccines, raising concerns about impartiality. The initiative signals a shift in vaccine communication strategy. RFK Jr. positions himself as pro-transparency, not anti-vaccine, as debates continue around mandates and manufacturer accountability. In conclusion, the new HHS task force aligns with Kennedy's concerns. Fact checks support claims about past oversight failures, as the push for safety, accountability, and informed consent gains traction. Thank you.